Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Calculation of Manager's Commission in your final accounts with adjustment. So we will see a numericals where we will calculate manager's commission. So many students have a doubt how to calculate this manager's commission before charging any such commission. And in books they have simply given a formula, simply they are multiplying and getting the answer. The logic behind it is not discussed. So in this lecture we will discuss the logic behind it, how to calculate this manager's commission, and hope this lecture will help you, make you understand the logic behind it. So let's proceed. On the screen you can see a numerical I have taken from your NCERT textbook, number 5, question number 5. So in this question they are asking you to prepare trading PL account of Messrs Indian Sports for the year ending on 31st March 2017. So both the sides they have given you, debit side, credit side, some information is given and adjustment is also given to you. For closing stock you have 45,000. Hold a second. Okay, now closing stocks you are having 45,000. Yes. Now provision for doubtful debt, that is your 2% on sundry debtors, that is your 80,000 into 2%, 2 into 100, that is your 1600. Depreciation to be charged on furniture and fixture is your 20,000 furniture, on that 5%. Plant and machinery 6% on this plant and machinery is 1 lakh. And yes, again yes, motor car, that is 10% on this motor car, 51,000. And additional information is given that 30,000 of machine of 30,000 is purchased on 1st October 2016. Now in the information in this trial balance you are provided that machine of rupees 1 lakh is there. Okay, out of which 30,000 of machinery is purchased on 1st October 2016. Okay, and the rest 70,000 is still with the Indian Sports Company in the beginning of the year itself. So why it is given? In order to charge depreciation. Now for this 30,000 you will be charging depreciation for 6 months, whereas for this 70,000 you will be charging for 12 months or annually. So in order to now how you will calculate depreciation rate, they have given you 6%. So for 30,000 it will be 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12 for 6 months. Okay, that comes around 900. And for 70,000 it is your 70,000 into 6 by 100, so it turns around rupees 4200. Okay, so total depreciation will be 900 plus 4200, that is your 5100. Okay, now depreciation for furniture will be how much? 5% of 20,000, that comes to rupees 1000. Motor car, that is your 10% of 51,000, that comes to around 5100. And anything else? No, that's no depreciation, that's it all. Okay, depreciation for plant and machinery you got 5100, for furniture you got 1000, for motor car you got 5100. Now provision, how to calculate provision? Provision they are telling 2% of sundry debtors. So we have sundry debtors as how much? 80,000. Now 2% of this 80,000 is your provision. So provision is 2% of 80,000. So that comes around 1600. That is 80,000 into 2 by 100, you will get 1600. Okay, now manager's commission, that we will calculate later on. Now whatever we have calculated, now we will enter it in our trading and PL account. So first we will prepare our trading account. Okay, So trading account of Messrs. Indian Sports as on 31st March 2017. So this is my particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. Opening balance given in your textbook. Opening balance is your 25,000. Purchases you have 1,80,000. 1,80,000 less returns 2,000. So purchases amounts to rupees 1,78,000. Wages you have 10,000. Freight you have 4,000. Sales you have 2,76,000. Returns you have 7,000. That amounts to rupees 2,69,000. Anything else? Yes, closing stock. So closing stock I am getting from the adjustment 45,000. So total this side I am getting 3,14,000. This side also I will write 3,14,000. And the balancing figure is my gross profit. That is around 97,000. So this is the gross profit which will be carried forward in your PL account also. So now we will prepare our PL account. So PL account of Messrs. Indian Sports as on 31st March 2017. Okay, so this side we have particulars, amount, particulars, amount. So bad debts in the book it is given 1,000. Then add a new provision that we calculated 2% of 80,000, that amounts to rupees 1,600, less old provision that is previously we created. In your credit side of trial balance it is given 4,000. So we are getting a negative balance of rupees 1,400. Okay, and the gross profit to be carried down I forgot, that is your 97,000. Yes, now trade expenses is 2,400. Then your printing and stationery you have 2,000. Then your rent 5,000. Then you have, then we will record all the depreciation that we calculated. So first one is your furniture. Furniture is your how much? 5% of 20,000, that is your 1,000 rupees. Second one is your motor car, that is your 10% of 51,000 is 5,100. Then third is your plant and machinery. I'm writing P&M. This is your 5,100. Okay, that is your 4,200 plus 900. That also you get as 5,100. So this is 4,200 plus 900. You are getting 5,100. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. How much it is given? 2,000. Oh, discount allowed 2,000 given. Okay. So this side total 97,000. I will write this side also 97,000. So this is the net profit balancing figure before my manager's commission. Manager's commission. So this balancing figure I am getting 75,800. Now I need to calculate that net profit they have asked to calculate and manager's commission of commission before charging this net profit. So total I will get as 97,000 both the sides. Oh sorry 97,000 I wrote. It will be your this net profit I have to carry it down. So net profit before manager's commission, here I have to carry it down, that will be 75,800. So both side it will be your 75,800. This side also 75,800. Okay, now I don't know the manager commission and NP, but they have told it that whatever the net profit you are going to calculate, the manager's commission will be 10% of that net profit. Okay, 10% of that net profit, whatever the net profit I am going to calculate. So I know that this manager commission is 10% of this net profit. Now let's assume this net profit as my X and manager's commission will be 10% of X. So 10% of X means 10x by 100. That means this NP is X, this manager commission is 10x by 100. So X plus 10x by 100, I will get this amount 75,800. So X plus 10x by 100 is equal to 75,800. This is X. Okay. So 100x plus 10x by 100 is equal to 75,800. Okay, or 110x by 100 is equal to 75,800, or x is equal to 75,800 into 100 by 110. So you will get it as 6,890, 8 point something. So I am taking a round figure as 6,8,909, and 10% of this is my manager's commission. So 10% of 6,8,909 is my 6,890.9 or 6,891. So my net profit is 6,8,909 and my manager commission is 6,891. So here I will write the figures. 6,8,909 is my net profit and manager commission is 6,891. So hope you like the video, and I hope to some extent I am successful to solve your doubts, solve your confusion, explain the logic behind this. We will meet in next video. Please like and subscribe. If any suggestion you want